Hello and welcome to my first English video. This one is going to be all about extended noun phrases. So let's take a look at our screen. When I'm doing extended noun phrases, what I'm trying to do is I'm trying to improve on the writing that I've got. I'm trying to add more information in. So for example, if I had the dog sat on the mat, that's not the most interesting of sentences. So what I can do is I can change that into an extended noun phrase. First off, I need to identify where my nouns are. So I've just changed my colour and my nouns are my people, places or things. So first off, my first noun is going to be dog, because that's my object, that's my thing, and also mat, because that is another object. So let's go back to our pen colour. The dog sat on the mat. I want to extend the dog and the mat. I want to make it a bit more interesting. So what I'm going to do is I'm going to use my adjectives, my describing words, to make that sentence better. So I might say, the brown dog sat on the small mat. Now that's extended those sentences slightly. It's not the most exciting sentence, the brown dog sat on the small mat. It's a very simple one, but we can go further and we can add an adverb. So an adverb is a word that describes a verb, so what they're doing. So I might then try and say, the brown dog, and I'm looking at my verb here, which is sat, and I'm going to describe how my dog is sitting there. So the brown dog, let's go for slowly sat on the small mat. So what I've done, not only have I made it a little bit more interesting with my extended noun phrases, putting those adjectives in there, but I've also gone a little bit into how that dog is doing what it's doing, which changes the tone. So if I changed slowly to a different word, let's have a look. I'm going to use my orange pen, because in our school we use orange to correct our work. I'm going to put one line through slowly, and I'm going to put excitedly. The brown dog excitedly sat on the small mat. That really changes the tone of what is going on. When he was slowly sitting on the small mat, it makes you think maybe he's a little bit sad because he's slowly going over there, or maybe he's a little bit scared. Whereas if I've put excitedly, that shows you that he's a lot more happy. So, thank you for listening, and I'll see you in my next video. Bye bye.